Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to a rising star in the dual sport world, the 2026 Kawasaki KLX 300. Known for its versatility, lightweight design, and approachable performance, the KLX 300 has earned a reputation as the perfect balance between everyday rideability and off-road adventure. The 2026 model builds on this legacy with subtle refinements that make it even more exciting for riders of all skill levels. Let's dive into what makes the new KLX 300 a standout in its class. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Kawasaki KLX 300 sports a refreshed look while staying true to its dual-sport identity. The updated bodywork is sleeker and more aggressive, giving it a modern edge that appeals to younger riders and veterans alike. New graphics and bold color schemes enhance its rugged personality, while the slim profile makes it easy to maneuver both on city streets and narrow trails. The lightweight frame and ergonomics remain rider-friendly, ensuring comfort whether you're commuting or exploring the backcountry. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 KLX 300 continues with its proven 292cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. Tuned for smooth, responsive power delivery, it's equally capable of handling highway stretches and technical dirt trails. The 6-speed transmission offers flexibility for both on and off-road conditions, while the fuel injection system ensures efficient performance in varying altitudes and climates. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the suspension setup for improved handling and ride comfort, making it more confidence-inspiring for riders who demand versatility in every ride. Safety and technology. The 2026 KLX 300 may be lightweight, but it doesn't skimp on practical features. The digital LCD display provides essential ride information at a glance, while the LED lighting system ensures better visibility during night rides and off-road adventures. The braking system, with pedal-style disc brakes front and rear, delivers strong stopping power and control. While it's designed with simplicity in mind, the KLX 300 integrates just the right amount of modern tech to keep riders safe and connected without overcomplicating the ride. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki KLX 300 continues to prove why it's one of the most versatile and reliable dual-sport motorcycles on the market. With its balanced design, approachable power, and rugged off-road capabilities, it's the perfect choice for riders who want one bike to do it all. From weekday commuting to weekend adventures, the KLX 300 delivers the best of both worlds. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the rides that keep the adventure alive.